Hey guys, Sean Gonna Live, we're gonna have a video. And today is Thanksgiving. Yay!
Yay!
Oh man, there's so many things I'm thankful for.
Like what?
Well, what? You?
Okay.
You and your family. My family.
Fluff?
Fluff. I mean, this is great, isn't it? Like a year ago, I didn't have this.
Yeah.
And
No, you did have a year ago.
And I'm thankful. I'm thankful for God for giving me all this stuff. I'm thankful for all my friends at school. I'm thankful for being in college. I'm thankful for Ariana Grande, my inspiration, my everything, my love of my life.
Crazy. Nuts. Stop. Forever.
No.
Yeah.
I'd be dead without her.
No, you wouldn't.
Yeah,
you barely even listen to her.
What do you mean? I used to be depressed. After I met her, my life changed.
Depressed?
Yeah, after Ariana Grande came in my life changed for the better.
That's why you get better friends, play video games.
I didn't have friends. I only had Ariana Grande at the time.
Oh, okay.
Yep. As you can see, I got my Santa hat on.
Yeah?
Getting ready for like Christmas.
Crazy.
Yep, we'll talk about that another day with Ariana Grande stuff.
No, we won't.
Yeah, new Ariana Grande music.
Oh,
pray to God.
Pray not to God.
Really, Fluffy's biting
You can't be praying to God to like that stuff, man.
Yeah, you can.
Nope, those are material things.
Yeah, material things that keep me alive at night.
Right.
Let me tell you, if Ariana Grande got shot, I'd probably die.
You wouldn't.
I would. I'd probably like be so depressed and probably hang myself.
Oh, nice.
No, I don't know. I'm serious though. I don't know what would happen if Ariana Grande stopped making music or died or something.
So what's today? What are we talking about?
Okay. Oh, you take him because he's getting crazy.
No, I'm not.
You take him. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys Paul's favorite thing to do on YouTube on my channel.
What?
We're going to do an unboxing video about Ariana Grande stuff.
Oh, my favorite.
Can you guess what it is?
No, I don't want to guess.
We're going to be unboxing
Yeah?
Ariana Grande perfume sets and hairsprays. You were waiting for this all week.
No, I wasn't.
You're like, please, Dan, all I want for Christmas is for you to show me your perfumes.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Those are the best.
Okay. Hi, friends from Facebook that are watching this. My best friends. I know you think I'm crazy, but let's do this.
They do think you're crazy.
Yeah. Alyssa thinks I'm crazy, remember? Remember I told her?
Yeah.
Okay, well first I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, so the one day, right, I was with Alyssa and we went to the movies. So after that she went home and I had nothing to do until 9 o'clock at night when my mom picked me up. I was there that long. It was like 6 o'clock at the time. So I went to all these stores, shopped. I went to out to eat with your card that you got from me for my birthday. You know, the Applebee's card or something.
What? I had a question, and
What?
you don't have to tell me gifts, but did you buy gifts that day for people?
No.
Okay.
I'm like way behind on gifts. I got good gifts.
I was just curious.
I should have, to be honest.
Yeah. You should have.
I didn't know what to get people this year, so. Okay, so like I said, after the movies with the girl, I was at all these places. I went out to eat. I went shopping. So I discovered that there was this new store that just came out. You know Ulta?
No.
You never heard of Ulta, the beauty store. The ultimate beauty store for everybody.
No, I didn't know.
Well, that's where Ariana Grande's stuff was, I guess. So I walk in to check out that Ariana Grande stuff, and they had all this new Ariana Grande stuff I'd never had before. Like, whoa, baby. I've spent over $160 on Ariana Grande fragrance items.
Crazy.
You ready to see these bad boys?
Not really, but if it pleases your fans, then show it.
Well, remember how I got out Ari Perfume? I got new Ari Perfume.
Oh, I'm so excited!
It's good. I got new Ari Perfume again, like the 3.4 ounce, because I ran out of that. You gotta have your Ari Perfume.
You gotta have it. It's a lifesaver, man.
Yeah, man.
Makes you less depressed and more satisfied. Oh, yeah.
It honestly does. I feel more calm when I smell those marshmallows.
Just buy a bag of marshmallows and start rubbing it all on your skin.
No.
And it's cheaper.
Not necessarily.
Yeah, it is.
Well, fuck that. Okay, yeah, so it makes you a lot more calm. So I got more, Ari Perfume. That'll last a long time.
Right.
Yeah. And then I also got, your favorite right here. Just letting you know, I used some of this stuff. I used some of the items already because I needed to use it anyway. And I just thought I should. Oh, so with my free gift, we'll show you in a minute. With my free gift with the purchases, if you spend over like $60, you get like a free item, and this is it. But like, I asked for two because I had so much money I spent. So I asked for two. I don't know who I'm gonna give one to, but it's just like little bags.
Ariana Grande bags?
I mean, I don't think they're Ariana Grande bags. They're just regular bags. Well, you get free stuff. You get free stuff. I don't joke around my free items.
So you asked for two, and they were okay with it?
Yeah.
They didn't care.
I was their best friend. I was like, I'm gonna be in here all the time.
And what did they say?
They said they got excited or something.
Really?
They're like, yeah. No, I'm joking. I don't know.
Okay.
Say it.
I'm ready. I'm so excited. Can't wait to see it.
Okay, so the first items I got besides that Ari perfume that I had to restock on, I got Ariana Grande hair mist.
Oh man.
Sweet like candy hair mist and Ari hair mist, which has both puff balls. This is a pink puff ball, if you can see it, and this one's a white puff ball. But they're like hair ties.
Oh man.
Too bad I don't have long hair.
Who, you?
Yeah, these are hair ties.
That is terrible. That's really bad. That's really, really, really bad.
Really? I could probably use it as a bracelet. But I feel like I can't fit my hand through there, so probably not. I can't get this plastic off. I'll probably get it off later. But I opened them already and used them both. And let me just tell you, let me give a little review right now. This one smells like... Which one was it? No, I think this is the one that smells like alcohol or something. No, maybe it's this one. I don't know. One smells like alcohol. I think it's Ari. Yeah, this smells like alcohol right here, kind of. But when you have it on...
Is that Ariana Grande?
Yeah, when you have it on, it's hair mist. You spray it in your hair. I sprayed it at that Ari one in my hair, I think. And what happened was, like, it smelled like alcohol. But I think after a while, it will smell like Ari. It's just like... It's out. I don't know if that was that one or this one, but this one smells so good too. Like, I swear to God, I had this in my hair, and the breeze. Oh my God, I can smell this more than the perfume. You can't break it, Paul.
I'm on here.
Don't break it.
I'm on. There you go.
Oh, thanks. Your favorite? Yeah, this is the one that smells like more like. This is the one that smells more like alcohol.
Like a gas mask next time opening that.
This one smells more like alcohol, but this one smells good. But this one's good too. But I'm just saying, you can smell both of them.
How the hell do you wear that? I probably would die.
Like, I was wearing a little bit.
My head against the sink.
I was like wearing this in class, and with the perfume, I sprayed it all over. And the girl, one night when I was with your friend that sold you the car, I found him at the talent show, and he had that girlfriend that's in my class.
Can I have the phone in there?
What phone?
There's a black phone on your shelf.
Here, did you get that, Paul? Ah. Come on, Fluff. There you go. Come on, Fluff. Fluff!
Come on, Fluff.
Okay, he's gone. But Paul's happy.
Yeah, because it's really annoying. It starts biting at you for no reason.
Okay, so there's a girlfriend that's in my class, one of my classes, and she says, "Oh, are you the one that smells like that all the time?" Because I told her I wear Ariana Grande perfume.
And what did she say?
And she says, "Oh, so you're the one I've been smelling all the time," or something like that. Says, "Oh wow, you can actually smell it." I was like, I felt good.
Really?
Yeah, people actually smell this stuff. I must use a lot.
You probably do.
I don't know, you tell me. So anyway, these are really good. The only bad part about it is it makes your hair greasy. Like, I use a lot of it, so it kind of makes my hair look greasy. I don't know if that's just me or if it goes for other people too. And they say it also makes your hair dry out because it has like alcohol in it or something. So I don't know. So anyway, so I got those, and it comes with those hair tie pom-pom things. And then the next thing I got, Paul's favorite. This is what we all been waiting for. The best part of the show. Sweet Like Candy gift set.
Whoa, dude! Where did we get that one?
Ulta. Your favorite, Paul.
My ultimate power.
Look, I'm serious. This is I didn't even know this existed. Sweet Like Candy gift set. Now Paul's about to call me gay in 2 seconds.
I am. Gay.
Watch.
You said 2 seconds.
So right here it says. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, I have it upside down. Sweet Ariana Grande, sweet. No, Ariana Grande, treat yourself. That's what it says. I see it backwards on camera. And it's got like sparkles. It's got the Sweet Like Candy. This is the back with the ingredients and sparkles.
Ingredients? What are unique? Is it like some...
I don't know. It's like what's in it or something.
Yeah, probably drugs.
Okay, so we're gonna unbox this right here. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
You can stop it. You can stop it.
Look. So this is what's in it before I show Paul. Now look at this, Paul.
Oh man! I wish I had that. That is so adorable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you get like a little. I think this is the smallest version. Not sure of Sweet Like Candy. You know, a smaller version. You get the travel size bottle of Sweet Like Candy, and. So you get that, you get the travel size bottle, and you get this cool purse that put your travel size bottles in and stuff like that. Isn't it amazing?
It is.
Whoa! Hold the phone, guys. This is it right here, the little purse to put my stuff in. For now.
Oh man!
I'm about to take this to school. People are gonna call me gay. Watch. I'll be next to Paul in the lunchline. Says, "Hey Paul, you need a 20? Here you go."
I probably would run away.
So, guys, this is so cool. It's got like the little eyelashes with the eyes closed. It's got the little bunny ears. And this is one thing I didn't notice. It has a little puff ball.
Wow. I wouldn't expect that at all. Wow.
So that's what it looks like.
You find stuff out every day.
and in there it is. This is so cute right here. This is
what did you say?
Cute. Would you not want your girlfriend wearing it, having this?
Okay, Dan.
Your girlfriend would be rocking this.
Why describe that? Maybe if you're like calling a girl cute or something.
You don't like this.
But why call that cute, Dan?
You can't picture your girlfriend wearing this?
Oh yeah, I do. That puff ball, it's the best. That secret ball in there.
This is like a little wallet purse thing.
Yeah.
Right here. This is cool.
Yep, that's what I'm getting my girlfriend.
Oh yeah, I'm getting it for her if you don't. But happy birthday, woman. Here's the Ariana Grande gift set.
I'll probably burn it because it smells so bad. But I'll tell her to keep that little purse knife.
Yeah, you're gonna burn the. I'm gonna kill you. Give it to me, you're gonna be an asshole.
What do you mean?
Give me the perfume.
It smells really strong and disgusting.
So yeah, that's that, guys. So basically, I have a new display going on now. I'm gonna have to edit my room up. But here we go, guys. Great stuff right here.
Yep. Gotta add to my collection.
Yeah.
Forever.
Now, this is crazy. That's everything. It came in this big bag. Well, that's not the bag. I think this is the bag. This is the bag. Ulta. Yeah, I had 2 of those. Anyway, so the good thing is, I think I got like a lot of points for spending $160, which means I get a couple bucks off my next order.
Wow. Wow.
Now in the next video, we're gonna talk about what I'm expecting Santa to bring me for Christmas.
Oh man, I can't wait for that one.
Yeah,
I thought this video was bad. That video is going to be fantastic.
It's going to be amazing.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be awesome.
Are you sure?
We got a lot of plans for this month. We got talk about Ariana Grande's upcoming album and stuff.
Boring.
This is going to be great.
Oh,
I got big news in the next video for you.
Oh yeah, I can't wait.
Yeah, man.
Let's talk about
we could talk
big
about
news.
We could talk about that one tomorrow. It's gonna be great. Man, let me tell you thought Logic had great news?
Oh yeah. Exactly.
Man, you thought Logic had great news coming out. This is like... Bah, bah, bah!
What? Bah, bah, bah!
Anyway, guys, we hope you enjoyed that little video.
Yeah, I hope you got blessed with all the wonderful stuff that Daniel got.
Yeah, I hope you guys are able to get this. Look at this thing. Awesome. Now I'll never be unscented.
Yeah. Dude, that's going to last you your entire life, right? It's never going to run out, right?
Oh, I'll always pre-order more. I can't. Now, are you excited for our third perfume?
Oh yeah, I can't.
Well, actually,
I can't wait to spray it all over my.
Actually, to be honest, this is her third perfume, if you count Frankie. So basically, her fourth perfume.
Her fourth.
Look at this. This is not lasting long. I was about to get the big version, but then this one was showing me this set. I was like, hubba hubba.
What?
I was getting this.
Why didn't you just get all of them? I'm surprised you didn't.
Yeah,
Just
me
a bigger
too.
one.
I was like, nah, I don't want to waste all my money this time. I'll just get it when
Why?
I run out of this. Because I already have Sweet Like Candy here, as you can see. But it is halfway empty, I think, by now. I spray it like this.
Is that enough, or should we spray a little bit more?
I like spray it all over my legs. I spray it on my stomach, my arms, my neck, my back.
Crazy.
You gotta stay scented, as they say.
Yep. That's what I'm gonna do tomorrow when I order dinner. I'm just gonna spray all my cologne all over me.
Yeah. Well, and then all the ladies at my college telling me, so what? Don't you want a girlfriend or something like this one? Remember the one girl, Therese? Yeah, scary. What? I mean, she says she thinks it's crazy, just like how Alyssa thinks it's crazy. I wear perfume and stuff. Everyone thinks it's crazy. I wear perfume.
Yeah.
But let me tell you,
like in a bad way or a good way?
And no, like this is the funny joke right here. So you know how girls will steal your sweatshirt because it has like your cologne all over it. Now imagine I actually get a girlfriend. No one wants to steal my jacket because I'll have Ariana Grande's perfume over. Like I swear to God. Smell this.
Nope. I'm good.
Smell it.
Nope, I'm not smelling it.
Dude, this thing is soaked in Ari Perfume and Sweet Like Candy perfume.
I'm not shocked at all.
Hey, I don't even have to try.
I know.
Oh my God, that's great. I love it when it smells like that. It smells better than when it's on my skin.
What? What?
Yeah, man.
What?
So, that's great. Don't you love it? Now I understand the whole meaning of why girls steal their boyfriend's jackets. But why cologne? Cologne smells the same.
Because it's sexy to girls, Dan.
I don't know how. I feel like we should be stealing their jackets. Or like
Just like if a girl has perfume on, it's sexy to the guy.
Well, no one's gonna think I'm sexy since I wear perfume.
Yeah.
Unless they, okay.
A guy's gonna steal your jacket,
Well,
then it's a girl jacket, and then
yeah,
you, and
gay
then,
guy.
and no, straight guy, and then you go back to your book bag to find your sweatshirt, and the guy's wearing your sweatshirt, and you're like, hey, that's mine, and he'll be looking at you. I thought this was a girl's jacket.
Maybe it would be if it's when a girl North Faces with the fuzz.
I mean, this could be unisex.
True. But what do you call it? Well, imagine I do get a girlfriend and she steals my jacket and thinks it's better than cologne. She's like,
Maybe it is.
She like it's high off it or something.
Wow. Wow.
Well, I bet you girls do get high off men's jackets though. They're like, it smells like my boyfriend. I miss him.
I mean, it is the perfume part, perfume. It is the cologne part.
You miss it.
No, it is the cologne part, but it's also the scent of the person's house.
Yeah.
Because if a girl's been into, or even the guy, but if the girl's been into your house, they like the smell of it, so it kind of is on your clothes.
I thought it's because they miss him.
I mean, yeah, that's
memory.
yeah, that too, Dan. But I mean, The scent could be that or the house scent.
Scary. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video.
My ex-girlfriend, Grace, she thought the smell of my house was good.
But
Don't ask me why,
doesn't
but
know
yeah.
doesn't know Dallas like the smell of Axe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was trying to put Axe on, but it wasn't working.
Oh, she didn't steal your jacket? That's a shame.
She didn't. But
she probably didn't want to steal your jacket because she would feel bad.
yeah.
You know her. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Paul loved it.
I loved it.
I don't think he's ever seen anything like it.
Nope, never. I wish Logic had stuff like that. Perfume.
Yeah,
So I
man.
could wear it.
Let me tell you, the day will come when he gets famous and starts giving perfume.
Even if Logic put a perfume out, I would never buy it.
You
I'm
wouldn't?
sorry. I wouldn't.
Really?
I wouldn't.
You're crazy.
I'm not crazy at all.
You are.
Maybe even cologne. I don't even know if I would.
Here's the thing.
I would. If you did it for men, I probably.
Here's the thing. I am allergic to cologne. I can only wear Ariana Grande's perfume.
Or is it you're only wearing Ariana Grande's perfume because it has the name of Ariana Grande on it?
Not
But what
really.
happened if I took away Ariana Grande and put Jennifer Lopez on it? Will still be the same thing, and would you wear it? That's the question.
No, but I'm allergic to cologne for some reason. But then when I had Ariana Grande's perfume, I tried that because I was so desperate for getting it. And like what happened was I wasn't allergic. I was like, yes! That's what happened.
Again, it's probably Ariana Grande based. But anyways.
Nah, it's not.
But anyways.
I can't. I used to have sinus infections from cologne. I still do. Like compare like Mom's Avon clones to this perfume. Somehow
Your mom actually hooked me up with some good cologne. I can admit it.
Well, like the one I gave you. My favorite was the Iron Man.
Iron Man's good. But
I could never like wear it because I always get sick. So.
Well, I did use it, but I had to throw out some.
Really?
Because the cap thing broke.
You're
so
out.
I couldn't find
You're out of cologne.
No, I have like 2 or 3 things.
Really?
Yes.
Man, you love your cologne.
Now I just don't use it as much.
I use this every single day.
I
bathe in it.
Let me
I bathe in it.
Let me rephrase it. I use cologne every day, but sometimes I forget.
Oh, that barely happens. That's the number one priority in the morning.
But if I'm going to school, it's like automatic. I need to.
Yeah.
I need to smell good for the girls.
Yep, me too.
Spraying perfume on?
Yeah, man.
That's definitely going to attract the girls.
Yeah.
Were you the one that was wearing Ariana Grande perfume?
Yeah.
That's so hot.
Yeah, I'll go crazy. I'm like, oh, baby, you know it.
Probably scares her off after you say that.
I'm like, you want to swallow it some more?
Or she'll be like, hubba, Daniel, you wear perfume, Ariana perfume.
She'll start ripping
hubba,
off. She'll start ripping off my jacket and sniffing it.
Ripping off her jacket and ripping off her clothes.
my jacket.
Hubba.
What? Yo, she can rip off her clothes. I don't care, but she needs to rip off my clothes. You know what they say? Once a girl steals your jacket, you'll never get it back. You know that, right?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Shit, if someone stole this from me, I'd be upset. $200 jacket, right down the drain.
It's called pleasing her instead of pleasing yourself.
Yeah, but what happens if you break up? I'll literally rob her house for my jacket.
You just say you want it back.
No, and then she won't give it. She won't give it back. She might. What if I broke up with her? She might be obsessed and says, "I'm not giving my jacket back. You broke my heart, and I like to remember you by this jacket."
Honestly, Dan, it's the opposite.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying.
I'm never gonna break up with my girlfriend. I'll let her beat the hell out of me, and I won't break up.
Okay, you could stop. But anyways, why it's different because guys dwell over things more than girls.
The only way I'm gonna break up with her, if I know my life's in danger, where she has a machine gun under her bed and a knife ready to stab me with when I sleep.
Damn, that's just a psycho. You gotta be careful.
Yeah.
No offense to girls, because there's psycho guys out there too. Don't take offense to this.
But anyway, guys, we're getting a little bit off topic here.
We are.
Holy
man.
shit! It's 20 minutes. Scary. Let's get out of here. Bye, guys. As usual, stay grounded and hit me. Stay frosty. See you guys next time.